everyone, agenda video for day 2, April 1st. Hopefully everyone is watching all these videos that breaks down exactly what you're supposed to be doing every day during this extended break. I really hope you are, because it actually really helps some of you with knowing what to do every day. Just to remind you, when you go to classwork, the agenda videos will be there. Day 1 through 10, so your March 17th through the 30th, those assignments do need to be handed in. Either you're taking a picture of them, or you brought them to the school yesterday with those bins that were out in front of the middle school, or you're going to send all of your work via snail mail to the middle school. So you're putting it in the mailbox and you're sending it. Easiest way is for you to take pictures of what you did and send them to my email. Okay, a lot of students have already started doing that. So make sure you get that done, okay? That's a day 10 assignments. If we go to our extended closure schedule, this is like your holy grail. This is where you're going to see everything that you need to do every day. This should all be a review for you, because hopefully you've been watching some of the videos I've been posting. Okay, so day 2 is April 1st. So we're going to do journal number 2. And we're going to do a writing lesson. So every day is going to be something a little bit different. You're going to either do a News ELA article, a writing assignment, a reading assignment. All right, so we're just going to make sure that we mix it up a little bit. Make sure you are listening to that Ghost of Spirit Bear videos. I did post the YouTube video that I found of another teacher in a different state, I believe, reading those chapters, so I didn't have to read them out loud. But make sure you're listening to those, because if and when we do come back, I want to make sure you guys are up to date with the Ghost of Spirit Bear. Okay, not making you do any work for it, but I want to make sure that you are listening to them. I might throw in a pop quiz here or there for those readings, so make sure you are doing them. All right, make sure you are listening to them. Want to just make sure that that's clarified. All right, so journal number 2, we're going to go back into our classwork. Remember, journals are all the way at the bottom, so we're going to go all the way at the bottom here. Just to remind you, Ghost of Spirit Bear are right here, okay? All of the readings are there, the chapter 1, chapter 2, chapter 3, okay? So just make sure that you are listening to those. Some of them might not be there because this is actually my screen, but the preface is there, the reading of that is there, and all the chapters are there. So if you want to get ahead of the game, you can without listening to those recordings. So day 2, journal 2. Mr. Hodges wants to invite a celebrity speaker to your school. Think about the celebrity you would choose to have speak, then write a letter to persuade Mr. Hodges to invite this person. Be sure to include convincing reasons and details to support your choice. Okay, so remember, we are doing argumentative writing and we're doing persuasive writing right now in class. So this is a persuasive letter to Mr. Hodges, explaining who you think would be the most ideal candidate to have come to our school. So I don't know, if I were to decide that I want to choose somebody, I could say maybe my favorite country music artist. I love all different kinds of music, but my favorite country music artist is Kenny Chesney, right? I could say I would really like to have Kenny Chesney come to our school to speak to us, and then I would give him the reasons why, okay? Maybe Kenny Chesney does a lot for charity. Maybe he, has a good story of like how he came into the business of the music scene. Maybe he, give details. We tried to like pound that into your guys' heads. Details are very important. So make sure you put details into that. Make sure it is a page, full page written, double space, 14-point font if you're writing it on Google Classroom. If you are going to write it into your writing notebook, it has to be 1 page, single spaced, okay? And you have to send that picture in your notebook, send that picture to my email. All right? The other thing we're going to do today is that writing lesson. So writing lesson, it will be chapter number 3, lesson 1, persuasive writing. Okay, so these are the 2 pages that I will be reading in my next video. Make sure you're watching that video to better understand what you're supposed to be doing. And then this page here is going to be where you are going to that's where you're going to be writing your assignment from this here. Okay, does that make sense? Make sure that you are completing that page. Okay, so this page is what you're going to be handing in. This is going to be the informational page, and I will be going through that in the next video. So make sure you are watching those videos. It is very important that you're watching them so that way you better understand things. Okay, try not to do things ahead of time unless you're super duper bored. And if you do, make sure you contact me if you have any questions. Okay, email is the easiest way. My email is russm, russm, at middletwip.k12.nj.us. All of the emails are on the middle school website if you don't remember them. Okay. All right. So I will see you guys tomorrow in the agenda video for day 3. And I hope you guys are doing all your work. And I will see you later. Bye.